Good morning, friends. This is Rahul Sharma, Vedic practitioner from Chicago. Today, as part of my video release number 45, I'm going to teach you how to do your daily prayer and arti by yourself. It's part of the Gurudev's Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya, Mata Bhagavati Devi Sharma book, Karam Kand Bhaskar. First thing is preparation. As I mentioned in the previous video, we need to do a Devasthapana from a volunteer from Gayatri Parivar. So you have a blessed picture like I'm showing in the bottom. On your prayer place, identify a location for your daily prayer. It can be in puja room, kitchen, or any other place. You can identify the location, either a sitting position or the standing position. Have the Kalash Sthapana once during Deva Sthapana, so you can remind for the teaching of the Kalash Sthapana, and then have diya, oil, ghee, cotton wick, agarbatti, lighter, bell for arti available all the time for your daily routine, so that you're always prepared and you're not wasting your time. As a daily routine, the first process we are going to always do is the purification mantra, and to remind yourself of keeping purity and simplicity in life, mantra is chanted like this: Om apavitra pavitro va sarvavasthangato piva yah smrit pundarikaksham sa braya mantra sushi Om punatu pundarikaksha punatu pundarikaksha punatu. Second mantra is Achmani. Remind yourself of the benefits as I explained in video number 13. Mantra goes like this: Om Amrita Pisalmasi Swaha, Om Amrita Vidhanmasi Swaha, Om Satyavishah Shri Mahi Shri Shrantam Swaha. Step 3, Shikavandam, to prevent negative thoughts. Om Chadrapini Mahamaya Divyate Jahe Saminvite Teshu Devi Shikamadhya Tejo Vradhim Kurushva Me. Step 4 is about Tilak. Remind yourself of all the benefits as explained in my old video number 8. Om Chandrasya Matpunyam Pavitram Papanashanam Apadam Harte Nityam Lakshmi Stati Sarvada. Step 5. Now you can light the diya and the agarbatti and remind yourself of the benefits as explained in video number 4 and video number 23. Step number 6. Now we are going to invite Gurudev and remind yourself of the benefits as per video number 6. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Reva Maheshwara Guru Dev Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Akanmandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Step number 7. Now we are going to invite Gayatri Mata. Remind yourself of benefits as per video number 9. Om Ayatu Varde Devi Trayakshre Brahmavadini Gayatri Chandasa Matah Brahmajonir Namostute. Om Shri Gayatri Namah Avayami Stapayami Dhyayami Tato Namaskaram Karomi. Om Sutta Maya Varda Vedamata Prachodayantam Bhavamani Dvajanam Ayuhu Pranam Prajapashum Kirtim Dravinam Brahmavachasam Mayam Datva Vrajat Brahmalokam. Now, if time permits, based on your daily routine, you can also include Lord Ganesh and Gauri, which for the benefits as per explained in video number 1. Om Abhisidhya Siddhyartam Pujito Yahaswarasurai Sarvignaharastasmai Ganadhipataye Namaha Sarvamangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Narayani Namostute. Again, based on your timing, you can also add the Navgraha Puja and then learn about the benefit in video number 12. Om Brahma Murari Stripurantakari Bhanu Shashi Bhumi Suto Budascha Guru Shukrah Shani Rahu Ketava Sarve Graha Shanti Kara Bhavantu Sarve Graha Shanti Kara Bhavantu. Step number 10, that we'll use in every single day. We are offering our thanks, emotions, and we're going to have a oath or commitment to quit one of the bad habits as per video number 11. Om Argyam Swarpyami, Ashpalam Swarpyami, Snanam Swarpyami, Vastram Swarpyami, Yogya Pavitam Swarpyami, Gandham Vilipayami, Akshatan Swarpyami, Pushpanim Swarpyami, Dhupam Argapayami, Deepam Darshayami, Nevedyam Nivedayami, Tamul Pungi Falani Swarpyami, Dakshinam Samarpayami, Sarvavyakstan Sarvyami, Tato Namaskaram Karomi. Om Namaswantaye Sahasramurtaye Sahasrapada Shishirorubhave सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः. Now we do the small arti, and you can have the bell with you and learn the benefit in video number 12. Om Brahma Veda Javido Vadanti Paramam Pradhanam Purusham Dadhani Eto Jagataranani Parama Tasmai Namo Om Namo After Aarti, we'll do the Shanti part. Om Deo Shanti Antarikshagvam Shanti Prathavi Shanti Rapah Shanti Oshadayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Vishwadevaha Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagvam Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Samam Shanti Redhi Om Shanti 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 Sarvarishtasu Shanti Bhavatu. Again, based on the time permit, you can also include a Surya Arghya and remind yourself of the benefits as the video number 24. Om Suryadev Sahstransho Tejo Rase Jagatpate Anukampyam Mam Bhaktaya Graha Karya Divakraha Om Suryaya Namaha Adityaya Namaha Bhaskaraya Namaha. This is how you end your daily prayer, and of course the action item after every single video. For your self-discipline, self-development, and family values, be an example to start daily prayer by yourself. Encourage others in the family to join with you at the same time, at least in evening aarti, and make it as a family ritual before dinner. Observe the changes within yourself, peace of mind, and the confidence you gain in a couple of months, and then promote to your friends, your extended family to duplicate it and make this world as a Vedic heaven to stay together. Departing message: be a Vedic practitioner, learn, adopt, and practice the secrets of success, written in 3400 plus books by Gurudev Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya, Mother Bhagavati Devi Sharma. So stay successful, happy, and help others making this world in heaven. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my next video. Thank you.